Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some Flickering Flames solar outdoor light lanterns. Alright, so we have these multifunctional solar pathway lights. This is the 2-pack. These are the Solar Touch Decorative Lighting for the outdoor solar lights. Is a great choice for parties. It is a solar charging. It is waterproof. These look really nice. They will make your pathway look really nice. So on the side of the box you have your specification. So it is recommended charging these 8 hours under sunlight, automatic lighting mode for 5 to 12 hours at night. Be sure the solar panel is in a sunny location or they will not light up during the nighttime. And make sure that the solar panel faces the sun. These are an upgraded design. So first off, you have your user manual. In this user manual, it will tell you how to set these up, the charging time, how to connect the pipes. You can use these two different methods. You can use it as in the ground or you can use it as a hanging light. This is waterproof flickering light lamp. The garden decoration lamp is made of high quality durable ABS material with IP65 waterproof grade. So these are what will go into your ground if you'd like to use it in the ground method. So you get these little extenders to go into each pipe. It is super easy to install these lights without any tools or wires. The pipes are adjusted to the height of the solar torches to 20 inches, 26 inches to 32 inches to anywhere you like to enjoy the warm touch of light. So here are the other pipes. You got a few more in here. So when they say it's IP65 waterproof, it is waterproof, snowproof, lightning proof, and windproof. The solar flame light are equipped with removable poles. So these removable poles, here is the solar panel. It has a little hook to hang it. So if you don't want to sit them in the ground, you can have them hanging up. Although either method looks really nice, I will be installing these on the ground themselves. And at the bottom you have the power button. Once you have it all set up, you just remove these from the poles and you push that button and it will turn on once it is dark. So here is the second one. So the decorative lighting, it will decorate your home with a beautiful flickering flame, creating a romantic and comfortable atmosphere suitable for yards, pathways, gardens, patios, pools, fence, decks, or outdoor events. So if you're outside, I put it next to our swimming pool so it looks really nice. You can put it in your gardens. If you have a projector outside, you could put it around the projector on each side of the screen so it'll make it look really nice. So now we're going to connect all the piping to the lights themselves. So you do have the extenders. So this is where you'll put your extenders between each of the pipes. You just slide them in there just like this. You'll grab another extender. Slide it in there just like this. And then you'll put another pipe in there. And then after the pipe, you'll get the ground extender, which will be put into the ground if you're going to use this method. So it just goes right in here. Just got to kind of squeeze it a bit, push it in tightly, and it will go in with no force. And then there is the pointy top to put it into the ground. So this one is complete. We're going to go ahead and put in the second one. These look really nice. They're very good quality. They're not feel cheap at all. They feel really nice. So this one is set up. We have both of them set up. So now we're just going to make our way to our backyard and show you what they look like all set up. And I'll let the sun charge them for a few hours. And then I will come back with it at nighttime. So here we have this set up outside during the day. We're letting the sun charge up the batteries inside these lights. So this is the one on the one side of the pool, And I have the one on the other side of the pool right next to the patio. If you don't want to use it this method, you can use it the hanging method, which actually looks nice, just as these ones do. So we got a little wind here, but we're just going to let these charge for a couple hours and we'll come back at the nighttime so you can see what they look like. Alright, so now it's nighttime. On the side of this one here, we have a night light that is super bright, but you can see the light that it's flickering. The other one is more in a darkened area, so you can see it a little bit better. I do have some solar powered motion sensor lights, so we do get a little bit light off here. So I'm going to wait for those to turn off. Once those turns off, you can see how nice they look in the night. So now they turned off, you can see that it looks super bright. It's really nice. They are looking like they are fire going on here, but you don't got to worry about burning yourself because these are only flickering LEDs. They charge every day in the sun as long as they're facing in the sun, and they do last all night. I put these just next to my pool. I might get a few more of these ones to put around it. I love them. They look really nice. If you're looking for something like this, especially around a projector screen, I would say check these ones out. These are super cool.